BEACN Mic. That's his card. BEACN. And it's basically just telling me how to do it. These cables are wrapped like really nicely. What the heck? And then we have some other cables here too. And it seems to be a converter for this cable. Because it says PC and this is a USB, so now you can put it in the PC. I don't see a mic right now, but I'm guessing it's underneath here. Oh, there we go. We got the mic. Scrap it out. There we go. For a second I thought they sent me the white one. But I like black better. I just like black better on all my equipment actually. I just love the style of black. I don't know. I just prefer that. So I'm very glad they sent me the black one. They do have a white version too, if you like white better. Okay, and I think that's everything in the box. Let's just check. Be sure. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, that's just good. So basically what's in it is a manual. You've got the mic. And we got two cables. One is an audio jack and one is a USB cable.